Hello and welcome to the IME 156 lab. I'm Rob Carter, one of the instructors, and that was a sneak preview at the project that we're going to be constructing, and I'm really excited about the project and to be getting to meet all of you really soon. In this video we'll cover a bunch of important information that you'll need to know in order to operate safely and efficiently and ultimately be very successful in the course. To ensure we're all well prepared to go to work the first day, working with the tools and equipment that can cause injury if not used correctly, there'll be a quiz on this material. You must take the quiz before the first lab. The quiz on this introduction material can be found right here on your PolyLearn site for the lab. In this lab course you will build an aluminum sheet metal chassis to enclose your electronics hardware, design a circuit board using a CAD tool called Dip Trace, assemble a circuit board from a kit of components, and assemble all the wiring necessary to power and control 3 powerful LEDs from a microphone sensor and an Arduino microprocessor. I hope you're as excited as I am to get started on this. It's an amazing set of learn by doing challenges that'll be fun and rewarding. The electronics manufacturing lab is located in the northwest corner of campus at the northwest corner of building 192. The entrance to room 105 is right here on the outside of the 192 building. As you enter, there are shelves for your personal belongings. This keeps the lab areas free for working. You may want to bring a notebook or a pen and pencil with you, and please have a seat at one of the benches wherever you'd like when you arrive. Remember that food or drinks are not allowed and on the lab benches or in the computer lab at any time. Restrooms and drinking fountains are located across the breezeway in Building 41 through the double doors and down the hall on the left or around the building to the right and just inside the double doors on building 192. We have 2 emergency phones, one just past the shelves on your right as you walk in and another in the computer lab near the entrance. In the event of an emergency, dialing 911 on these phones connects with the Cal Poly Police Dispatch, which is the quickest way to reach help. Tell them your location is Building 192, Room 105, and the nature of the emergency. Things happen, accidents, and sometimes a person's health condition requires medical attention. I appreciate that you're all willing to help by being aware and knowing what to do if needed. We use the tools in the lab that can cut metal and that can cut your skin very easily or burn you. No matter how small an injury, you must let your instructor know so we can assess the concern. If there's a problem with anything in the lab, or you're hurt, or you don't feel well, any one of these tools can cause a minor injury. Sometimes all that's needed is a band-aid, but please let myself or your instructor or a TA know in the event that anything happens that needs our attention. Whenever working in the lab, closed-toed shoes must be worn. Flip-flops and sandals do not adequately protect your feet and are not allowed. In addition, long hair must be tied back and up if necessary to keep out of your working space. In the lab, safety glasses must be worn once we're working and the lab is begun each day. Safety glasses are available in the leftmost tool cabinet on the right-hand side. This is where the scratch-alls, hammers, measuring scales, and tape are also stored. Tools specifically for deburring and or writing on sheet metal are found in the second tool cabinet. In the third tool cabinet, we have screwdrivers, wrenches, digital multimeters, and so forth. Wire assembly tools, including wire cutters, pliers, wire strippers, and crimpers, are located in the fourth tool cabinet on the far right. The lab has the essential sheet forming tools for forming your sheet metal chassis, including punches, brakes, and you'll use all of these for forming your chassis. Your instructor or teaching assistant will demonstrate the safe and effective use of all the tools and machinery in the lab. If you miss something during a demo, please ask to see it again before using. We must not risk misusing a tool that may cause injury or damage because of lack of training. We all get to learn by doing the manufacturing process ourselves, but the safe and correct way is always best. In the process of building our projects, stuff happens and things get broken, and that's okay. But we have to correct the problems, and to do this, we have to know about them. If you break a tool or something doesn't look right at any time, let a TA or your instructor know so that we can repair it or replace it. Never use something that seems faulty. The last thing I need to talk about in this video is lab cleanup. We get to use all the tools and equipment that I've just shown you in the lab, and it gets messy. So to ensure we put the lab back the way that it was when we arrived, we all must participate in cleanup. In fact, it's worth points. Each week we rotate 3 cleanup supervisors who will ensure all the tools are put away and the debris swept up and so forth, so the lab is ready for the next class. Just like we received the lab, good working condition and clean. The form shown here makes it simple to know what to do and what to check off when we're complete. When we all do our share, it's easy for everyone to get the job done and earn the points. That's about all I have to share with you in this video. So once again, welcome to IME 156, and I really look forward to meeting all of you soon. Thank you.